Besides raking leaves, one of the other things that'll be getting done around the neighborhood during the fall is painting. That's because the best time to apply latex paint is when the outside temperature is moderate. You know, if it's too hot, it dries too quickly and it'll leave some ugly brush marks on the surface that you're painting, and clumps of paint will get in the brush, make it real hard to do a good quality job. Now, if it's too cold, it just won't bond as well to the surface where you're applying it. So now is the time to get it done. But while you're doing a little painting, think about painting green. Not the color, but green as in with the environment in mind. Now you'll see that most water-based latex paints contain VOCs, or volatile organic compounds. As the paint dries, it gives up these chemicals, which are released into the air for about 6 months after you've applied the paint. Inside your home, that means a strong odor and poor air quality for you. But outside, it means ozone pollution and the release of smog-forming chemicals into the atmosphere. And none of that stuff is good. So many paint manufacturers have begun reducing the level of VOCs in their products to address this concern. Now, it's possible to find paints like this one, which is actually formulated to give off about 9 times fewer VOCs by weight. So check the label before you start and get that painting done before the cold sets in.